How to download data from Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download data from Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is of course open up your Instagram. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. After doing that, you will need to head over to your profile that is on the bottom right corner. After you're there, tap on the three lines on the top right corner. Now you will see Account Center, tap on it, and now you'll be on the Meta's Account Center. After you're there, you will have to scroll down, and there you'll find Account Settings. Under there, you'll find an option called Your Information and Permissions. Head over there, and there you will see Download Your Information. Now that's basically your data that you have done, or whatever you have done in Insta, everything is right here. So tap on Download Your Information. And there now you'll need to request for the information. Tap on download or transfer information and then choose your account. So I'll just choose this account here. Tap on next. And here you can choose different options right here. As you can see, either you can download all of the information or you can download some information. So tap on some to select what you want to download. So let's say that I just want to download the messages. So if I do that and tap on next, now I can download this to device or transfer it to somewhere else. I can also choose the date range. So if I just select last week, it's going to give me the messages that I've done on the last week. Tap on create file and now Instagram will send you the information. Now as you can see, it has been on progress. Now get back here whenever this gets ready. You will also get a mail and then yeah, you can download that information. And that's basically how you download data from Insta. Thanks for watching guys. Do not forget to subscribe to App Hacks and bye bye. Take care.